This is a review of the Gtheos gaming headset Captain 300 that I would highly recommend. This Captain 300 headset is probably one of the best headsets I bought so far. And these headsets, you can see it has a headphones where you could do your gaming. Like, for example, if I use this for my PlayStation 5 and I want to hear my friends talk, you could use this to talk to them and communicate through them. You can see here that has a cool LED red, so that is a huge plus. It looks really nice. I love how this red looks like. You can see the power on button of the Gtheos. Then from here, you can see that we have a volume up and down, so you can increase the volume and go down. Right here is your on and off button, so I could turn this off by pressing this button. Then after that, right here is your microphone button, so if you want to, like if you're having a conversation that you want to mute, so you can mute that up. Then right here is your Bluetooth pairing mode, where you can have it on and off with a flip of a button, so you could have Bluetooth turn on. And I do want to mention that I use this for my PlayStation 5 for my gaming, when I do gaming with my friends. And not only that, but it could also work for your PC, it could work for your Mac, it could work for your iPhone, it could work for pretty much everything, your Xbox, or pretty much anything. And I would highly recommend these headphones. They are super comfortable, and you can see the padding, it is really soft to the touch, and it's really comfortable. You won't find yourself to get uncomfortable in these headphones, because the padding is really comfortable, and they're not like other type of headphones where it's really uncomfortable that sometimes you have to take it off. These ones, on the other hand, are very comfortable. I use this for a few hours, and I never have a problem of them saying that they are really uncomfortable. You can see here, it comes with the auxiliary cable if you want to wire it up. This is a dong thing for a pretty much if you want to go have it wireless to your computer, you can have it a wireless mode, so it's for your dong. And then right here is your USB cable to charge it up and power it up. If it needs charging, then you use this to charge it up, your headphones. And overall, I would highly recommend the Gtheos gaming headphones, because of the fact that it really is super comfortable. It's really easy to use, really easy to operate. It has buttons and functions mode. It has a wireless LED lights bar where you could, have a good ambience of your inside if you're doing gaming. And I also use this too for my workouts too. I sometimes go to the gym and use this for my workouts because they are super comfortable, like I mentioned. And you can see here that it does state that it does work for pretty much your PC, your iPhone, your tablet, your PlayStation, your Xbox, and it could say wired only, which you use your auxiliary cable. And overall, I would highly recommend the Gtheos gaming headset Captain 300 because of the fact that it really is super comfortable. And overall, I would highly recommend this if you are looking for a gaming headset that pretty much does everything, meaning that going, doing gaming, going to the gym, then this is probably one of the best ones.